The rumored launch of the Sony ZV-2 has stirred excitement among content creators and vloggers worldwide. As the successor to the widely popular Sony ZV-1, the ZV-2 is anticipated to push boundaries with advanced features and innovative solutions that address the evolving needs of modern creators. But why is Sony planning to launch this camera now? And what makes it stand out in a competitive market? Let's dive deep into the reasons behind the release, the new updates, the innovations it brings, and the problems it aims to solve. Why is Sony launching the ZV-2? Sony's decision to release the ZV-2 stems from the rising demand for high-quality, easy-to-use vlogging cameras. With the content creation industry booming, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have fueled the need for cameras that deliver professional results without the complexity of traditional mirrorless or DSLR setups. The ZV-1 was a major success, but the market has evolved, and creators now expect more advanced features, better image quality, and seamless connectivity. Sony aims to capture this growing segment by enhancing the ZV-2 with cutting-edge technology while maintaining the user-friendly experience that made its predecessor so popular. Additionally, Sony recognizes the increasing competition from brands like Canon, Panasonic, and Fujifilm, who are actively innovating in the vlogging space. By launching the ZV-2, Sony intends to retain its leadership position by offering features specifically designed for content creators, from high-quality video to advanced audio and connectivity options. This move also aligns with Sony's broader strategy to strengthen its hold on the rapidly expanding creator economy, where content production for social media has become a lucrative and ever-growing field. What new updates is Sony bringing to the ZV-2? Enhanced sensor and image quality. The Sony ZV-2 is rumored to feature a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, providing superior image quality with improved low-light performance. This update caters to creators who film in diverse environments, ensuring crisp, detailed visuals in any lighting condition. Whether shooting indoors, outdoors, or in dimly lit spaces, the upgraded sensor will deliver cleaner, more vibrant imagery without the graininess that often plagues compact cameras. Upgraded lens for versatility. With a 24 to 70 mm f/1.8-2.8 equivalent zoom lens, the ZV-2 offers better framing flexibility. This allows vloggers to capture wide-angle scenes and detailed close-ups without switching lenses, a critical improvement for on-the-go shooting. This versatile focal length is perfect for both immersive, wide-angle storytelling and tight, professional-looking product shots or personal close-ups. Faster autofocus system. Featuring a fast hybrid AF system with 315 phase detection points, the ZV-2 promises quicker and more accurate subject tracking. This enhancement is particularly valuable for dynamic content where rapid focus transitions are essential. For creators who frequently move while recording or who showcase products on camera, this advanced autofocus ensures precise tracking without the dreaded focus hunting effect. Advanced video capabilities. The ZV-2 supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second, offering creators the ability to produce cinematic content with slow-motion effects. Active steady shot stabilization further ensures smooth footage, even during handheld shooting. This combination of high-resolution recording and stabilization caters to both beginners looking for simplicity and professionals aiming for smooth, high-quality outputs. Improved audio features. With a built-in directional 3 capsule microphone and a 3.5mm microphone input, the ZV-2 enhances audio clarity. This addresses a key pain point for creators who demand professional-grade sound without relying on external recorders. Clear audio is vital for engaging audiences, and the ZV-2's improved microphone system ensures better voice capture, even in noisy environments. Better connectivity. Equipped with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C support, the ZV-2 simplifies file transfers and remote operation. These features enable seamless integration with smartphones and other devices for quick content sharing. This is especially useful for creators who need to upload footage quickly or live stream directly from their camera without cumbersome setups. Longer battery life. Offering approximately 260 shots per charge, the ZV-2 extends recording time, reducing interruptions during long shooting sessions. For content creators who film vlogs, tutorials, or live streams, this improved battery life means fewer pauses and better productivity during extended shoots. What innovations does the Sony ZV-2 introduce? Sony is not just upgrading hardware. They are redefining the vlogging experience with thoughtful innovations. AI-driven autofocus. Speculated to include advanced AI algorithms, the ZV-2 could automatically recognize faces and objects, ensuring consistent focus without manual adjustments. This innovation would make the ZV-2 a game-changer for solo creators who rely on accurate and fast autofocus without a camera operator. Live streaming integration. With direct USB-C support, the ZV-2 may offer plug-and-play functionality for live streaming, catering to creators who engage with audiences in real time. This feature is crucial in today's digital age, where interactive content and live communication drive audience growth. Enhanced color science. Improved color profiles and skin tone optimization ensure flattering, true-to-life reproduction, addressing the demand for natural and polished visuals. This feature caters to beauty vloggers, lifestyle creators, and anyone who prioritizes aesthetic accuracy. Product Showcase Mode 2.0. Building on the success of the ZV-1's Product Showcase feature, the ZV-2 may offer faster object focus switching, which benefits creators who frequently display products or demonstrate techniques on camera. What problems does the Sony ZV-2 solve? Complex camera operations. By offering intuitive controls and automated features, the ZV-2 reduces the learning curve, making professional-quality content accessible to beginners and experienced creators alike. Easy-to-navigate menus and quick-access buttons streamline the shooting process, eliminating technical barriers. Inconsistent autofocus. With its fast hybrid AF and potential AI enhancements, the ZV-2 eliminates the frustration of focus hunting, ensuring sharp, consistent images and videos. This is especially beneficial for creators who move frequently or showcase products up close. Limited portability. Weighing approximately 300 g and maintaining a compact design, the ZV-2 is easy to carry, making it ideal for travel vloggers and mobile creators. Its lightweight frame and ergonomic grip ensure comfort during extended use. Audio quality issues. Improved onboard microphones and external input options address the need for clear, broadcast-quality sound without additional equipment. This allows creators to deliver professional-grade audio in a variety of environments. Connectivity gaps. With modern USB-C, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, the ZV-2 ensures seamless connectivity for fast content sharing and remote control. This innovation caters to the modern creator's need for instant access and easy file management. Anticipated release date and price. Industry insiders suggest that the Sony ZV-2 is expected to launch in Q3 2025 with an estimated price of $899. This positions it competitively against other vlogging cameras while offering advanced features that cater to the evolving needs of modern content creators. The Sony ZV-2 promises to redefine the vlogging landscape by addressing user pain points, delivering cutting-edge innovations, and offering a feature set that empowers creators to produce exceptional content effortlessly. With its rumored enhancements, this camera could set a new benchmark in the world of content creation, solidifying Sony's position as a leader in the vlogging market.